Hey everybody, it's Ron the Roof from Complete Trader Academy. Another daily review. Today is January the 4th, Wednesday, 2022. We did have the meeting minutes today. Where is it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, today was manufacturing and FOMC minutes. Kind of whack day. I think they're saving it for tomorrow and Friday, which tomorrow is non-farm payroll, and then we also have more non-farm payroll on Friday. So price didn't take out any external highs or lows, but internal range. I saw that. I'm gonna go into a deeper time frame. I saw that and stayed away for most of it. So pretty much here was the day, and as we were saying yesterday, after this happened, right? Price broke down. Everybody were selling from here yesterday. Price came back up to attack that open of the 930. Take out the liquidity here. You got this wick with the big highs above it, and a lot of people who were, scalpers or people getting into positions here. This is just a reference point on the algorithm, and sure enough, when the price was opening in London and Asia, so look at Asia and London, the flow was going up and it just was too clean and suspect. Yes, I was trying to take it up, but because I knew that the news was coming out at 10 o'clock, which we had that news at 10. I just forgot already what it was. Manufacturing, yeah. I knew there was going to be some type of dip. And have you noticed every day we teach about, showing the trades of selling and buying in the same day. You'll get those two trades in a day where it's a sell, then it's a buy. I mean, it's constant sell, then a buy. Look at this. If you go back test this, and this is jewels for you, sell, then a buy. Well, this was a buy. And then obviously this was a sell. Sell and a buy. Sell and a buy. Sell and a buy. Buy. Shit, you could have bought and sold here, but let's just say buy. Sell. Sell and a buy. Sell. Obviously, this is bearish candles. So I'm not trying to get off topic here, but I'm just, the point is that you notice this constant reoccurring thing. So I'm only showing you that because I knew this liquidity was too clean. And then we know price news is going to spike up and down. So that's what it did. And I decided to not do shit. I decided to wait because I knew 10 o'clock would come out. And then I wanted to get my trade in before the lunchtime. And I wanted to be done because I don't want to be bothered with this. I don't want to be chasing price. Could I have made money in here? Yes. I saw sells when it was happening right here. And I was like, no, I'm good. I just had a feeling that it could have went any direction. If you notice, look on the day chart, it's flat. It's literally going sideways. So like, that's not a good market to really be in. I'm looking to catch one trade, one direction, not really trying to catch both. You're liking shit like this or this. This is what I really think that we're in. You see this right here? I really think that we're in this, and we're like right here in this circled section of it. And we're about to get this spike up and then down. Spike up and then down. I really have a feeling that they're going to do the market that way. But anyways, back to the trade real quick. Price broke up, wicked above, closed bodies down, sank down. I said, okay, perfect. We came down. We took out this liquidity. We came right in here into this. You can see this scrunched up demand area. And then I started to wait for order flow. Order flow was beautiful here. Took the buy all the way up. My first intention was to take out this high because you got to remember, this range is going to expand. And I thought I would have expanded much more than coming back in this range for this news day today. But it was a flop. Not saying that it wasn't good points. It was great points. But when you look at it from a distance, the range, look at an hour. It's like that range didn't really go anywhere. So it's stuck in this day, and I'm not interested in internal liquidity like that. I want to go and hit these external ranges. So technically you could have not even traded today at all, and you don't have to at the beginning of the year. You know, it's not that serious. You know, you can wait for order flow to be better on the daily, meaning like as you see, you don't see yourself in a structure like this or like this. You see this, and yes, it's bearish in my opinion, and it's like freezing up here, but it's like you're stuck in these previous day ranges and they're tiny. So you could literally wait for it to break out, just like any other of these examples if you look in the past. But anyway, real quick, took out liquidity, came down, saw the order flow, took it above this, and here was a level because of that wick right there, that high right there. It's like you can't miss it. So this is how you got to see, like, and look what happened. Price hit it, and what did it do? Sank down, came right back to where I bought. Why? Because everybody and their mother bought right here. So I hope this helps. And then as far as tomorrow going, again, I'm still expecting manipulation. I'm expecting the news to spike up and spike down, or just come straight down. All right, you guys take care. God bless.